one thing. I'm going to share with you what is the device driver and what is the importance of drivers. First, we need to know what is a device driver. In computing, a device driver is a computer program that operates or controls a particular type of device that is attached to a computer. And this is the application, operating system, device driver. So, a driver provides a software interface to hardware devices, enabling operating system and other computer programs to access hardware function without needing to know precise details of the hardware being used. And this is the CPU, memory, input and output, control bus, address bus, and data bus. So, a driver communicates with device through the computer bus or communication subsystem to which the hardware connects. And this is clear. And number 4. So, driver and device. Driver to device, device to driver. When a calling program invokes a routine in the driver issues commands to the device. Once the device sends to the data back to the driver may invoke routines in the original calling program. And next, hardware-dependent operating system specific. And this is the programmers, operating system, drivers, firmware, and hardware. This is the hardware, firmware, and drivers. And this is the software inside. So, drivers are hardware dependent and operating system specific. They usually provide the interrupt handling required for any necessary asynchronous of time-dependent hardware interface. And this is the example. For example, high-level application serial port. High-level application to serial port is sent. High-level application sent to serial port. And serial port received from high-level application. For example, high-level application for interacting with a serial port by simply how to function for send data and receive data at a lower level device driver implementing this function would communicate to the particular serial port controller installed on user computer. For example, high-level application sends serial port and serial port receive from high-level application. So a high-level application for interacting with the serial port by simply how to function for send data and receive data at a lower level device driver implementing. This function would communicate to the particular network cards, sound cards, local buses of various sorts, computer storage, computer storage device, such as hard disk, CD-ROM, and floppy disk by R888 SATA or SCSI. Next, implementing support for different file systems. And next, is image scanner. So implementing support for different file system, image scanners, and last, digital cameras. And then this is another one. Low band I/O buses and the digital cameras. There is no space there. I will put the digital cameras. Yes. Driver interface with video adapters, network cards, sound cards, local buses of various sorts, computer storage devices such as hard disk, CD-ROM, floppy disk, R888 SATA, or SCSI. And next is the implementing support for different file system, image scanners, low bandwidth I/O buses, and digital cameras. So, in modern hardware and operating system, drivers operates in many different environments. So we have purpose device driver. So device driver simplify programming by acting as translator between a hardware device and the operating system that uses it. So overview, a driver is a program that lets the operating system to communicate with specific computer hardware. And computer parts need a driver because They do not use standard commands. Example, ATI and VIDIA graphic cards do the same jobs, but each requires its own drivers as each driver sends different commands to the hardware. And last, using wrong device driver can prevent hardware from working correctly. We have the parts of the computers need drivers and commands. This is the number one is graphics card, modem, network card, sound card, computer printer. And next, this is the parts of the computers. Drivers are not required. Processor, RAM, CD and keyboard, PC speaker, USB flash drives, some USB webcams, and most USB sound card, and lastly, and more also. There's more parts of drivers are not required, and yes, this is the parts of the computers need drivers in common, and this is the drives are not required. Next. So for lastly, why we need to update the drivers. When updating the drivers, the following will give the effects. First, computer performance will be better. The second is your audio sound will be better. Next, your security level will be higher and more secure. Next, your computer stability will be much more better. And lastly, the computer graphics will be better. And that's all for device driver. And I hope you learn about my topic. Thank you for watching. This is Jerry.